Learn how to read, write, and communicate in Hausa language like a native speaker wherever you are around the world. Through the program, teach yourself Hausa language, coming to you from Rumbun Ilimi with me, Abubakar Muhammad Tsangarwa. Darasi na 32, Lesson 32, Gina Jimla, Sentence Formation. Kalmomi, words. Gona, farm. Manomi, farmer. Fartanya, hoe. Feshi, spray. Taki, manure. Taki, fertilizer. Sassabe, harrowing. Huda, ridging. Shuka, sowing. Noma, cultivation. Manomi ya tafi gonarsa. A farmer went to his farm. Noma sana'a ce mai muhimmanci. Farming is an important occupation. Manoma ne ke samar da abinci. Farmers are the food providers. Yana sassabe gonarsa. He is harrowing his farm. Ana yin huɗa bayan zubar ruwa. Ridging is done after rainfall. Lokacin shuka yayi. It is time for sowing. Yabanya tana son takin gargajiya da na zamani. The plants like manure and fertilizer. Feshin magani yana kashe kwari. Spray of pesticide kills the pests. Da fartanya ake noma. Hoe is used for farming. Kai manomi ne? Are you a farmer? My good student, thank you for joining this class. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe the channel, like and share it to make it more beneficial to many people around the world. Remember to visit https://lumbunilimi.com.ng or click the link below this video to download the exercises pages. Goodbye and see you in the next class.